If you're new to prepping, please do this before you buy anything. Seriously, do this first. And surprisingly, most preppers skip this, which is why they end up feeling lost. This is the video for you if you're new to prepping or you want to catch up. Because before you buy a single can of food, you gotta make sure you do this first. Welcome to Asymmetrical Preparedness. I'm Michael, and I've been prepping for over 20 years. And one mistake I've seen over and over is people rushing out and just buying random stuff with zero planning. Today's one step closer tip will save you money, time, and stress. Most preppers usually start prepping by buying just random items. A few cans of food, a bag of rice, or some fancy tool they saw in a video. They get excited, but quickly they end up overwhelmed and have no idea what they actually have. And that's because they never take step 0. The very first prep you should make is simple and inexpensive. Start a prepper notebook like this, or a binder to inventory your preps. A binder might actually be better because if you get a 3-ring binder, you can add pages to the categories. Why? Because prepping isn't about how much you think you have, it's about knowing exactly what you have. And when you write it down, you instantly get clarity. You don't need anything fancy, just a notebook and a pencil. A pencil, not a pen, so you can erase things if you take them out of your inventory. And when you inventory your preps, you'll see what you actually have. But more importantly, you'll be able to identify your weak points, which are the areas that you need to improve upon and the areas you need to bump up the list of priority. And even better, you'll see what you don't need to waste money on. This will save you a lot of wasted money. This will help you keep calm and in a much better state of mind. This keeps you in control. And in next Thursday's One Step Closer, I'm gonna throw out a tip that you're gonna really wanna know. So today, don't go out and buy anything but a notebook and a pencil. Label the pages and write down what you already have in your inventory. Do that and you're already one step closer. And if you want to know how to create a survival kit, grab my ebook for free by following the first link in the description. It'll give you a great starting point. As always, thank you very much for allowing me to be part of your day. I really love you guys. Have a wonderful day and blessings to you and yours.